Hello children, today we are going to learn new lesson, the yellow butterfly. Okay, so open page number 47 and let us start. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. This yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden means Sonu, name of this boy, एंड दिस बटरफ्लाई इज फ्लू अराउंड, वो उसके ही अराउंड सोनू के गार्डन के अराउंड में फ्लाई कर रहा था. सोनू सॉ द बटरफ्लाई, देन सोनू सॉ दिस बटरफ्लाई. ही रैन टू कैच इट. ही मीन्स सोनू रैन टू कैच इट, वो भागा उसे पकड़ने के लिए. द बटरफ्लाई फ्लू टू द रोज बेड. हाँ, देन द बटरफ्लाई फ्लू टू द रोज बेड. की रोज बेड मीन्स ये रोज के पेटल के जाके वो बैठ गया. इट सैट ऑन अ रेड रोज. हाँ, नाउ इट सैट ऑन रेड रोज. नाउ आई कैन कैच इट सेड सोनू. देन सोनू व्हाट सेड, नाउ आई कैन कैच इट, अब मैं उसे पकड़ लूंगा. ही वॉक्ड स्लोली एंड साइलेंटली टू कैच द बटरफ्लाई. ही मीन्स सोनू वॉक स्लोली एंड साइलेंटली, धीरे से और एकदम शांति से. ही इज वॉकिंग टू कैच द बटरफ्लाई. Then he came closer and still closer, but then flew the butterfly. And just he came closer, जल्दी ऐसे नज़दीक आ गया और he can catch, वो पकड़ने वाला था, but then flew the butterfly. हाँ, butterfly flew हो गया, वहाँ से उड़ गया. Where did the butterfly go? कि कहाँ गया होगा butterfly? Near the garden was a pond. Near the garden was a pond, and in the pond was a white lotus. In the pond was a white lotus. वहाँ पे एक white lotus भी था pond में. Around it grew round leaves. हाँ, around it grew round leaves, कि उसके बाजू में ऐसे round leaves थे. And they floated in the water. They floated in the water. Floated means float होना. मराठी में हम कहते हैं ना तरंगने. That is floated. Floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. हाँ, the butterfly sailed means सवारी करना. The sailed on a floating leaf. Floating leaf की वो सवारी कर रहा था. Sonu went splash into the water. And Sonu went into the water. And then the voice came when we go into the water. That is splash. जो आवाज़ आता है ना जब हम पानी में उतरते हैं. That is splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. हाँ, and from there also butterfly flew. वहाँ से भी butterfly उड़ गया. Then where was it? कहाँ चला गया होगा? सोनू looked up. सोनू looked up. सोनू ने ऊपर देखा. He looked down. सोनू also see down. Near the wall was a peach tree. हाँ, near the wall was a peach tree. वहाँ पे एक wall थी and there is a peach tree and it had pink flowers. It had pink flowers. वहाँ पे pink flowers थे. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. Now the butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. हाँ, अब सोनू चिल्ला लेगा. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. हाँ, he climbed up the tree. वो चढ़ गया. Climb means चढ़ना. Up he climbed. हाँ, up he climbed, but it flew. हाँ, but it flew down from the tree. हाँ, but it flew means butterfly flew down from the tree. वो वहाँ से भी उड़ गया. And सोनू jumped down too. हाँ, सोनू jumped down too. सोनू भी नीचे आ गया. He chased the butterfly. He chased means पीछा करना. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus. हाँ, from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. हाँ, और peach tree के ऊपर भी up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. उसे butterfly नहीं पकड़ में आया था. Okay, now see on next page what will happen next. Then Sonu could not see it at all. हाँ, Sonu could not see at all. That means he is not able to see at all. वो कहीं भी दिख नहीं रहा था. He looked everywhere. हाँ, Sonu looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. उसने देखा. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. On the peach tree there was a big spider's web. स्पाइडर कैसी जाली जो कहते हैं ना वेब, It was on the tree, and the butterfly was caught in the spider's web. This butterfly was caught in the spider's web. So उसमें फंस गया था. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It looks sad. That means butterfly looks sad because it is trying to escape. Escape means भागने की कोशिश करना. He want to escape from this spider's web. Okay. And it fluttered its wing. It fluttered its wing means ऐसे हिला रहा था. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned. It twisted and turned. It twisted and he is trying turn. ऐसे turn करने भी कोशिश कर रहा था. But it could not escape. That means it is not able to free from this web. The spider's web held it tight. The spider's web held it. Held means to पकड़ना. Held it tight. Tightly the spider's web held the butterfly. Then poor butterfly. Poor butterfly. The butterfly was poor. In the middle of the web was a big spider. In the middle of the web, big spider. And it looked hungry. So भूखा था. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Spider wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. That means the spider is now coming towards the butterfly. Before the hungry butterfly could grab it, before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. Before the spider could grab it, कि spider उसे grab करे, इसे पकड़े खाने के लिए, and before that Sonu ran, Sonu भागते गए, and he caught the butterfly. उसने उस butterfly को पकड़ लिया. It was so pretty. Butterfly was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. The butterfly has brown spots on its yellow wings. उसके brown spots थे. And Sonu loved the little butterfly. Sonu loved the little butterfly. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. But still the butterfly looked sad in Sonu's hand. तो वो वहाँ पर भी दुखी था. And Sonu wanted it to be happy. Sonu wanted that butterfly should be happy. कि butterfly happy होना चाहिए ऐसे Sonu को लगता था. Then see on page number 49. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. Go. He said to this butterfly, go, जाओ. Fly away. दूर उड़ के जाओ. He let the butterfly go. Sonu let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. Now the butterfly sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree. Again the butterfly flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. और उसने लोटस की लीफ पे भी सवारी की. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Merrily means happily. It flew merrily from flower to flower. One flower to another flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. Now Sonu is watching the butterfly is flying and flying. Okay. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden. The butterfly again flew around Sonu's garden. Happy and free once again. Now the butterfly is happy and free once again. Okay. This story was written by Nilima Sinha. Okay. Now we will see some new words from this story. Escape. Escape means to run, to free. वहाँ से भाग जाने की कोशिश करना. Escape. Pond. Pond. It's a pond. Little water body. That is pond. Then peach. I will send its picture so you will understand what is peach. And climb. Climb means chadna. Climb. Catch the butterfly. Pakadna. Middle means middle में, center में, middle. Hungry means he want to eat. भूखा था वो. Float means float on water. कि water पे if you drop the boat in the water, it will be float. तरंग हम मराठी में कहते हैं ना तरंगना. That is float. Shout means चिल्लाना. Shout. चेस मीन्स टू फॉलो. हाँ, चेस मीन्स फॉलो करना एकदम, पीछे पड़ना. फ्लटर मीन्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ बटरफ्लाई. एंड ट्विस्ट, यू नो बटरफ्लाई ट्राइज टू ऐसे ट्विस्ट करता है, दैट इज ट्विस्ट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी विल सी some questions and answers.